Everyone loves referrals, but are you getting as many as what you should be? And for most businesses, the simple answer is no. And it's because their referrals are relied on luck, hope, making sure that somebody talks about them in the right moment. It just isn't engineered. And that's what a referral system should look like. It should be engineered that you are being remembered, you are being spoken about, and you have the opportunity to be going, oh, you need to use this person day after day after day. And it's not a matter of just hoping that someone remembers you. It's a matter of actually making sure that you put in place a proper referral system. Let's dive into it. This is what you need to be doing. So when I look at what does a referral system look like? Well, to me, it's pretty simple. It breaks down into a couple of things. The first thing that we've got to look at is, well, what actually is a referral? Where do referrals come from? Because for a lot of people, they think referrals just simply come from their clients. That's the cherry on top. Really, referrals should be coming from referral sources. And you need to build referral sources to be able to generate more referrals. So when we look at it like this. Referrals come from two spots. They can either come from our clients, customers, or they can come from referral partners, people who sell to the same people you sell to, but you don't compete with one another. To me, I go cherry on top because you don't want to have conversations with your clients. Oh, you know how we do this great thing for you? Do you know other people who it's awkward? And for most of us, we don't like having it. However, with our referral partners, it's really easy because you help them, they help you, and you create these win-wins. Now, I wouldn't see them as two separate things. I see them as one. Here, you've got clients that could refer. You've got referral sources that could refer. And for most people, they go, oh, yeah, I get 1 or 2 referrals a month. Well, it's because you don't have enough referral sources. When we look at referral sources, we look, how do you have 10, 20, 50 referral sources? Because if half of them passed you 1 referral a month, there's 20, 30, 40 odd referrals you're getting every single month. But the key is no matter whether you are wanting clients to refer or referral sources to refer, you have to be able to do things that make it easy for them to be able to refer and bring people into your audience. And that is where most people let themselves down. Because referrals are simply this. Referrals are when you've got one person you know. So think of a person that you know within your network. And they introduce you to somebody you don't know who has the pain point and is looking for a solution. That's it. That's all a referral is. I know Bob. Bob introduces me to Mark, who I've got no idea who he is. He's got a pain point that I know I can solve. So Bob says, hey, Mark, you need to come and speak to Michael because Michael might be able to help you. That is a referral. So we talk about this referral meter. Down one end, you've got a level 0. Bob says, hey, Mark, here's Michael's card. Give him a call. He can help you. He's not calling. He doesn't know me, let alone like me, let alone trust me. So it's a waste of time. At the other end, we've got a level 10 referral. And unfortunately, this is what most people have got dialed in as the only referral possible. A level 10 referral, Bob goes, hey, Mark, Michael actually can help you. This is how he works. These are the problems he solves. He's really great at doing this, this, this. This is what the investment is. And Mark, oh, that's brilliant. I'm ready to go. And really, all he has to do is sign an agreement. That's a level 10 referral. What we want to make sure that we're doing is that we're finding what we call level 7 referrals. And that is what a referral system's about. Having people who can share you, introduce you, give you exposure to other people's networks, where in the end, the people who believe they've got that pain point, they come back to your world. So it should look like this. Okay? Over here, I have Bob, and I know Bob. Bob has all of these people. Okay? Here are all the people who Bob knows. And Bob shares something. Hey, I've got this great resource. How to get 100 referrals in the next 12 months without paying any money on ad spend. Who would like it? And people put up their hand and they go, I'd like it, I'd like it, I'd like it. So what they do is they simply go and get it. They opt in, and now they're coming into Michael's audience. And now Michael can continue to deepen the relationship, see how he can help them. That's what a level 7 referral should be doing. At the same time, Bob's always going to look for level 10 referrals. But we've got to make it easy for them to be able to do that. So to me, referrals come down to 3 things. Firstly, you've got to have referral sources. So you've got to identify who are your referral sources. In our world, we call this building your referral partner whiteboard. And it's a whiteboard with the different types of referral partners. Not going to dive into that. That's in a different video. But we have a referral partner whiteboard. The second thing we need to do is that we need to make it easy by creating action items that allow our referral sources to promote us, to share us, to introduce us, to get us into their networks. So we need some sort of thing. It could be a guide, it could be a video, it could be a masterclass, it could be a checklist. But that thing allows people to be able to share you easily. Without it, you're sitting there going, I hope Bob remembers me today. Bob's got his own business. Bob's got his own stuff. But if you create action items to make it easy for your referral sources, you'll get a lot more referrals. And finally, you need to make sure that you are creating shared moments, because that is what creates the bond between you. If you don't have the bond, if you don't have shared moments, if you're not being remembered, then the proximity of them remembering you when you need them to generally doesn't happen. They're the 3 things that have to take place for your referral system to be able to work. Now, the nice thing is that once we get this set up, tech, software should be doing 80-85% of the heavy lifting for you. Because if you're trying to remember 30, 40, 50, 100 referral sources, oh, that's right, I've got to speak to Tim. Oh, it's been ages since I've spoken to Mary. It's impossible. So you need tech, software, automation, workflows to be able to do the majority of the heavy lifting for you. And again, that's where the majority of people end up falling down. So let's get through and let's actually look at, well, if I had to build my referral system, what am I actually doing? Oh, the first thing that I am doing is that we need to create our referral sources. So that's the first thing that we're going to do. We're going to create our referral sources. We're going to identify them. We're going to reach out to them. And in the end, what happens is we build this referral partner whiteboard. There are 4 different types of referral partners, from profitability partners to our super group to cross promotion partners and the big audiences that we can get into. The second thing that we need to do is that we need to be able to build a thin to make it easy for people to promote you. Remember, a referral, someone I know bringing someone I don't know into my world. That's a referral. Okay? So that's the second thing that needs to take place. The third thing that then needs to take place is that we need to be able to build a nurture system. Because if you're not nurturing, if you're not talking, if you're not engaging with your referral sources, you're simply forgotten. Or someone who is nurturing them ends up getting thought about more than you. So when you break this down, there are three key things that have to happen. Okay, we have to build our referral sources and our referral partner whiteboard. We then need to build a thing to make it easy for them to be able to promote you, share you, bring people into your world. And finally, we need to make sure that we have a nurture system in place. Again, through the use of workflows and automations, tech stacks, software, it is a lot easier to do than what most people think. And that's why, again, most people don't do it because it feels hard work. You should only be doing the final 5 to 10%. And that's the actual fun part, the conversations, creating opportunities, seeing how you can help each other. So when you have a referral system in place, you've now actually got your referral growth engine. Referrals are no longer luck. They're engineered. Every single month, you should simply be getting at least half the number of referrals to the referral sources that you have. You have 10 referral sources, really easy. You should be getting at least 5 good quality referrals. Let's build it out. 30, you should be getting 15. 50, you should be getting 25. What does your business look like? If you've got 25 people who are raising their hands saying, oh, I think that's my pain point, I'm wondering whether you can help me or not, your business would be completely different. And it's not hard to be able to build 50 referral sources. I see our clients doing it every single month. Their biggest problem? I've got too many people. I've got too much work. I need to slow it down. And that is where you get to turn the tap up or turn the tap down. And that's a much better problem to have than waking up every single week going, where is my next client going to come from? So that's what building a referral growth engine looks like. Build our whiteboard, make it easy for them to be able to share and promote us, and put in place a nurture system that ensures that we stay front of mind, we're continuing to deepen the bond with them, and we're finding ways to be able to help one another because that brings people into your world. The more quality, qualified people you bring into your world that could become your next client, the more predictable your growth is. Hopefully it's been super helpful. Look forward to speaking to you real soon. Take care, everyone.